Guys, so I have hiccups and I'm going to show you how to get rid of them. There's one. What you do is you plug every hole on your face and you hold your breath for as long as you can. And they go away instantly. It works every single time, I'm telling you. Sugar doesn't work for me. Holding my breath doesn't work for me, but this works every single time. So I'm gonna look like a little weirdo, but it works. And now we wait. I feel like they're gone. I don't have that feeling like it's gonna come back anymore. What you want to do is close your ears, your nose, your mouth, and your eyes. It's weird, but it works. My mom told me. They're gone.